Good evening. Welcome to another episode of the Daily Market Analysis by Sectors by HowToTradeSafely.com. Please pause the video to read the legal disclaimer before carrying on. This is a summary of the price action on 31st July 2012. All four major indexes of the broader market went down. The Dow Jones and the S&P both went down by about minus 0.4 to minus 0.5%. The Nasdaq was the best performing index. It went down by minus 0.2%. And the Russell was the worst performing index. It dropped by minus 0.6%. Consistent with this, the VIX went up by about 5% or 0.9 points from 18.0 to 18.9. This is a graph of the Dow Jones Industrial Average. We can see that the uptrend from last week has now ended, and this looks like the beginning of a downtrend. The S&P 500 is behaving in almost exactly the same way. Same with the Nasdaq. Same with the Russell 2000, except in this case the drop seems to be much bigger. This is a graph of the volatility index over the past few days, and as you can see, the volatility index, the VIX, has been rising. It is now from a low of about 16.7, it is now up to about 18.9. Let us look at the various sectors. The various sectors down here, we can see that only one sector went up yesterday, which was the technology sector. All other sectors went down. The best performing sector was the technology sector, followed by the industrial sector and the consumer staples. The worst performing ones was the consumer discretionary, followed by energy, followed by utilities. This gives some mixed signals. We would expect the top three, the financials, energy, and materials, to go up in a bullish market. Obviously, they are not. But out of the three markets, the defensive stocks, we would expect all three to be posting gains. Unfortunately, the utility sector in this case posted was a loss and was one of the biggest losers for the day. So that ends today's market analysis. Thank you very much.